this episode, I'll show you how to create your own bottle balls. Eyeballs, that is. First, I glued rounds of black felt to 10 ping pong balls with hot glue. The size of your jar will determine how many eyeballs you'll need to make. Using the acrylic painter, I drew veins on each eyeball. You can mix up the vein patterns to add interest. I used etching cream to fog up the bottom of the jar. I dropped in the pumpkin necklace and adjusted it. I inserted the eyeballs into the jar, adjusting them to stare outwards. I used a 2-inch styrofoam ball to make the eyeballs fill up the jar. I topped the jar with the lid that I had painted with flat black spray paint. And finally, I glued a few creepy creatures to the outside of the jar.